this video I actually want to show you how actually you can code your file or something else, and I will show the whole process here. Okay, so here is the data file. I just copy the data sheet so that I can, if anything going wrong, then I can reconduct it. Okay, I just showing you SPSS file. First of all, I copy the option, the name of the column, just do it, and here we have to keep in mind that there's 5 actually indicating adoption and penetration of digital technologies. These 5 another, these 5 another sheet. Okay, so that I can easily understand which columns actually under which variable. Okay, that's why I just coloring it. And here our dependent variable is labor market, and independent variable is independent variable or something like that. These are all are independent variables like adoption and penetration, investment, level level of entrepreneurship, job displacement, skill adaptability. These are basically our independent variable. Okay, and here we have to keep in mind that you already wrongly set the Likert scale value. So one is basically based on your data, one is basically indicating strongly agree, but in the real life it should be one should be strongly disagree, two should be disagree, three should be neutral, and four should be agree, five should be strongly agree. So I will record this data in SPSS file so that I can easily record the data. Okay, I am not here I mean recording the file. Okay, I will record in the SPSS file. Now I am deleting this because I know no need this. I need in SPSS file. Whenever I code in SPSS, I will check in this file and I will use this. Okay, no problem. But now I no need this. Okay, I delete this. Okay, our total total data is like 257, that means 256, and the first row should be deleted because I already renamed that. Okay, now it's okay, this data is ready to SPSS. Okay, SPSS, let me open the SPSS file. Okay, already open the SPSS file here. New data set. I will import the Excel file. File, import Excel. Mm, this is the data file. Copy of book 4. Okay, I will import the data here. Here I have to keep in mind that I have to tick read variable from the first row of the data, percentage of values, and determine data type 95%, ignore hidden rows and columns. Okay, then okay, and here select the actual sheet SPSS file. Okay, now check this data file already here, this one. Okay, but here we have to recode it, like set the code value. Okay, like for male, female. Okay, gender, and like for age, age group, like for academic qualification. Okay, this is the gender variable basically. So I just rename it gender as gender. Now set the value here, 1 for male, 2 for female, 3 for others. Okay, oh, this way. Then age group, 1 for under 25, right? Under 25, 2 for 26 to 35, 3 for 36 to 45, 4 for above 45. Okay, now academic qualification, 1 for bachelor's. Okay, bachelor's degree and below, 2 for master's degree. Okay, 3 for M.Phil or PhD, right? Degree. Okay, then okay, job designation, here 1 for assistant level, 2 for manager level, 3 for official level, 4 for executive level. Okay, then experience, that means work experience, 1 for less than 2 years, 2 years, 2 for 3 to 5 years, 3 for 6 to 10 years, 4 for more than 10 years. Okay, now I have to record this because you wrongly recorded here, like the value, like 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is wrongly coded here. You coded like 1 for strongly agree, but I will record 1 for strongly disagree. Okay, this way. So how can I easily record this? I will record all the data at a time. Transform record into same variable. Okay. Then select all of the data variable here. Okay. After work explains. Okay, because these are the Likert data and I want to record these as you wrongly coded. Old value for 1 I want to put 5. For 2 I want to put 4. For 3 it should be 3. For 2 it should be, sorry, for 4 it should be 2. For 5 it should be 1. Okay, all automatically recorded already. Okay, you can check this right now. Okay, now I can set the value for this Likert scale, like 1 for strongly disagree, so that I can easily understand. Okay, 2 for disagree, 3 for neutral, 4 for agree, 5 for strongly agree. Okay, now I will copy the thing and paste all of this. Okay, automatically set. Now okay, I can check here. Okay, now I want to compute the mean value. Okay, because I want to calculate one in the dependent variable and independent variable. Our main variable name should be like that. Our main variable should be like our main variable should be like adoption and penetration, investment, availabilities, level of entrepreneurship. It should be our actual variable. Okay, now I want to compute the variables one by one. What should be our first variable? Our first variable name is like adoption and penetration of digital technologies, right? So I just rename it, copy it and paste it here. Now I cannot use the space, I use underscore here. Now underscore one by one, because I cannot use space. Okay, then here I want to calculate the mean value. That's why mean value means average value. Okay, statistical part. Here function group I have to search as group statistical. Okay, you can check it, statistical, then select the mean means average. Okay, for adoption and penetration of digital technologies we know our 5 questions here, right? A comma B comma C comma select one by one, D comma E, then bracket. Okay, then okay, I can set the variable like set the labels also. Okay, then okay. Now you can see here new variable already added here. This is the mean value. Okay, this is the mean value for this variable and for each of the respondent. Now one by one compute another variable like this. this one pasted here. We cannot use space, so that's why I use underscore. Okay, and I just delete the previous things. Now select again A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, E, then bracket close. Okay, same way select the third one, transform, compute, pasted here, type and pasted here. Now underscore, okay, just select, delete this, and again our last one was that now again I believe that the entrepreneurship, this is the starting point, comma, one by one, bracket close. Okay, then again compute job displacement, copy, underscore job displacement, here should be careful about the variables. Our last one, this comma, this, comma, bracket close. Okay, now the third one is okay, again compute skill adaptability, underscore level set, deselect this, skill adaptability, this one, select the carefully, okay, otherwise they may be wrong. Bracket close, enter. Same way last one, labor market, last one, comma, okay, this is the last one, and here is the variable we already added. Here 5 variables, total 6, 5 independent and 1 is dependent variable. Investment, yes. Now here is the variables, okay, here is the variables. Now I can check your friend